Hi, my name is John Lee, and I'm excited to show you within 3 minutes how Domo can change your life with data. Let's get started. As you can see here, I have a little timer on the bottom because I want to show you raw, unedited footage of how fast we can move in Domo. Now, check this out. I say that data is a lot like cooking, and here is why. If I go to data at the top and I hit this cloud icon that says connectors, Domo has already created all these connections, which are basically APIs. They've done the hard lifting, so we don't have to do it. And these are all ingredients. Imagine what you can make with 1,000 ingredients. That's how many connectors Domo has, and it's only growing. Other competitor products have about 80. Now, what type of ingredients do we have? Well, we have things like Google Analytics. We have things like Facebook. We have other whole databases like BigQuery, Snowflake, etc. And hey, even if you don't see a connector in there, we have other little tricks we can do, like getting an email attachment and just putting it right into Domo to make your database. Pretty amazing. So one that I've done already is this Google Sheets connector. And what I can do is I could go to setting, I could say schedule, and I could say, hey, you know what? I want this to run every 15 minutes, every day, whatever I want it to be. Now, once we have that data, what we can do with it is we can start to cook with it. We have our ingredients, we can do something with it. This is my kitchen right here. On the left-hand side, I have all these different kitchen appliances. I have an oven, a rice cooker, I have a saute pan. I have all these things that I could just use, drag, drop, connect, no coding necessary whatsoever. Now we can ante it up a little bit. I can go to settings. I could say, hey, I want this whole cooking process, this ETL, extract, transform, load, to run whenever that sheet updates. So now if my input is updating at 6 a.m. every day, this will automatically trigger this job to run at 6:01 every day. Pretty amazing. And once we kick off this job and we're able to create an output data set, look what we can do. We can create a dashboard that will automatically update. We are saving time in the supply chain of how we get data. I can have this automatically go, and I can hit this. I could go to schedule report. I could have this automatically be emailed to me every single day at, I don't know, 8 a.m. if I want it to be. And I could pick what time I want it to go. I could pick whom I want to get this email, saving a lot of time. Furthermore, we can do a lot of other really fun tricks, such as this one. If I go to spend, I click alert me. I can establish an alert right now that says, hey, if my spend goes over 200, 100, whatever dollar amount I want it to be, or there's a change from last month, last year by X amount, instantly alert me via email, text, using the Domo app, using Buzz, which is this little chat tool here. All these things can run automatically. There we go. 3 minutes done, showing you just a quick snippet of the power of Domo, where we can really shorten the supply chain of data and changing it, manipulating it, sanitizing it, so that way people can have the insights they need right at their fingertips to make great decisions.